Again. Hello, everybody. How is the siesta going? I'm in a circus. This is the place I love. How is everyone? Come on, a little bit more effort. How is everyone? Yeah, now we're getting there. We're getting there. So thank you very much for being here. We're going to start with the afternoon sessions for the startups. So we have the jury somewhere around here, spread out. So we're going to start. I'm actually very interested in this part. I've been working with the teams and try to getting them to pitch super. So hopefully you'll see that. But very, very interesting projects, very rare and unique projects. So I hope you enjoy. And without further ado, please welcome on stage Focus.
Right? Good. Well, my name is Juan Diego Ania, and I'm the Chief Knowledge Advisor for Focus. Terrible logo, I know. Anyway, imagine that a technology existed that would allow roads to talk and let you know if some danger lies ahead. All right? And now imagine if this technology could also be used to prevent bridges from collapsing, perimeters from being breached, the environment from being polluted, pipelines from exploding or leaking, or the electrical system to have from having blackouts, for example, right? Well, this technology does exist, and it's called distributed optical fiber sensing, and it's a very clever technology that makes use of the already installed optical fiber that is laid out next to all these big infrastructures and transforms it into individual sensors for every meter of the hundreds of kilometers of fiber. It works in a similar way as the bat sends in a cave, right? We send a pulse down an optical fiber, and we measure what comes out. And by reading the signal that comes out, we know exactly what's happening on the fiber and where it is happening on the fiber. So this is a very interesting technology that can can let us prevent accidents, saving lives, hundreds, thousands of lives per year, and saving millions to the companies that operate the smart grid. This smart grid sensors market is quite big right now. It's about $750 million, of which 70% is dedicated just to the oil, gas, and water market. And it's a market that is growing. It's expected to reach about $1.5 billion in 2018. So it's a big pie, or a big paella, as you can see here. And that means that there's plenty of competitors that want to take a piece of it. So what makes us special? Well, what makes us special is that we have unique patented technology that allows us to sense farther, to sense better, and to cost much less. So still, this is a market that is hard to break into. We're lucky enough to have been mentored by the Fundación Repsol since 2012, and this has allowed us to reach big suppliers and engineering companies working for these big suppliers so we can sell them our hardware, support, and maintenance. Our products currently are two. One is called Finest. It measures temperature and strain, and it can locate in real time leaks in pipelines over 100 kilometers from a single station and tell you exactly in which meter the leak is happening at the same time that it is happening. This one is already installed and in operation at an oil duct in Cartagena, thanks to the Repsol Foundation. Another product here, the other product, is called Find Us, and it works by detecting vibration and sound. It transforms every meter of an optical fiber into a microphone. So it can tell us if some menace is approaching your installation, your gas duct in this case, but it can be a perimeter as well. And this one is installed for Fluxys Statoil and Gasco in Belgium, which was one of our first sales. So this technology wouldn't be possible without our science team, and the company wouldn't run without the rest of us. But this company actually reached a big milestone by the end of 2012 when we were mentored by the Repsol Foundation. And this has allowed us to break even in this year. For next year, we intend to reach industrial-ready systems for mass production and create a new prototype, which is a hybrid that combines the two technologies that I've shown you. So right now, we have already obtained a few projects and and contracts, and we are expecting a few more. We're seeking about 1 million to make sure that we're able to reach these milestones for 2015. So thank you very much.
This is hard. It's so hard to do it in 4 minutes. So coming all the way from Andalusia, also known as Alejandro Siberi, please on stage. Thank you.
Hello. Hey, please, the clicker.
Big helmet.
Okay. Okay, hello everybody. My name is Alejandro Villaram. I'm CEO of Siberi. And today I would like to share with you a little story about education. Don't know what happened? My presentation? Okay? Okay. Sorry. University is very cool. We have many students in different countries that are willing to go there after finishing high school. Vocational training is not that sexy today. The thing is that we have a really, really big skills gap in the industry today, okay? And many university degrees cannot find a quality job. So we think we need a plan here. Our solution in Siberi is we think we can make technical and vocational education much more attractive and much more efficient and get better results. Our proposal is augmented training, which is a pioneer educational platform combining immersive augmented reality with real-time simulation, teacher software, cloud, and apps to enhance vocational and technical education and improve the results. We think that really can provide and attract youth by letting them play in safe environments, getting to train much more people in less time, better qualified, cheaper, reducing environmental impact, and also promoting women participation in traditional male industries. Our technology lets teachers upload their own programs or buy from official publishers. Students can practice in the simulators, receiving real-time aids that help them improve faster and move to finish the training in the real welding booth. Soldamatic augmented training is the first application of our technology. And it is for welding training, because if you think about it, we have welding everywhere. We have welding in oil and gas, in construction, in mining, in naval, in aeronautics. And we have a very big demand of qualified welders worldwide today. The market of vocational education is really a big market that is aiming to modernize, to become much more attractive and more efficient. Some numbers about welding. We have 250 training centers per country, 7,000 hours a year, $21 the price of an hour, and we are getting to save 68% of this cost. So the return on the investment is really, really fast. We sell both the hardware and the software and the cloud services of the simulator. Our average price is $10,000, and the target is 10 units per training center. We just reached our break-even recently. We sell through local distributors. Today, in less than 1 year in the market, we're working in 32 countries with more than 45 distributors. Also, close agreements with the big publishers in welding training, like German Welding Society, to sell their contents through our platform. And also big agreements with big industry in different sectors are coming. Our competitors in welding are the big players in this industry, but our technology is much more advanced, more competitive in price, and it is not a simulator, but a whole educational platform. The team, in Siberi, we are 2 founders and 1 business angel, with experience in business and also in IT consultancy, and 27 very young and talented people. We are just getting our technology being included in official syllabus by governments like India, Russia, Chile, and much more are coming. Also won the OG Award in Silicon Valley to the best augmented reality solution, and the World did that award to the best educational solution 2014. Also, we were included by Gartner in the AR market report. So there is a big skills gap out there today, and in Siveri we continue investing to bringing our technology to mobile, to enhance industrial operations on the field, and to apply our technology to healthcare sector. So join us today, and let's release human talent out there. Thank you very much.
There we go. And now I have something different, someone which I would consider someone with big brass balls taking over the telecommunication industry. So big round of applause for Submobile, please.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Jaime Plas, CEO and founder of Submobile. And I will start off my presentation with a short story. It's about a customer that had an issue with his mobile company. He went through endless calls with the customer care agents, and nobody could solve his issue. When he was about to give up, he finally got a hold to a nice supervisor who talked to him in a calm way and said, "Sir, I see you have this issue. We really apologize for the inconvenience, but I have to be honest. We're completely unable to solve it for you. And the only thing that I can tell you at this point is good luck and God bless you." This isn't a joke. This is a real story one of our customers shared with us. And you agree with me. Mobile companies suck. No matter the size, no matter the color, they suck. Just to give you one number. In Spain, last month, more than 600,000 customers switched the mobile company. In fact, before I finish this presentation, more than 50 customers will have betrayed his mobile operator. So I said, there must be a different way to do mobile. Look at all these brands. You, of course, know them. They're successful. There are different versions of the so-called collaborative economy. But what's behind all of them? What made them so successful, so unique? There you have the answer. They're powered by the most powerful source of energy on Earth, right? That's people. And I said, okay, let's use this fuel and apply it to mobile. And we created Swap. We are a fully fledged mobile operator running in Spain. We have our own SIM cards. Just you put it on an unlocked handset, and off you go. You can make calls, send SMS, and surf the web. Up to here, nothing different. But what makes us unique is that we crowdsource 3 of the most relevant business processes a mobile operator has, which are marketing, innovation, and customer care activities. We have created for that purpose an online ecosystem where our customers participate and collaborate with us. We measure that activity and they earn points. And those points they can redeem with free balance, with cash, or they can even donate to charity. We make money like any other mobile operator. Customers top up between 5 and 30 euros. They use their mobile services and we get a margin out of it. Okay, but we found a secret formula that I will share with all of you. You don't tell anyone. We found that collaboration generates engagement. And through collaboration, in a crowdsourced model, you will reduce your operational expenditure because they do the job for you. And through engagement, you create happy customers. And happy customers will tell their friends, and happy customers will not leave. Why would they? They're so happy. This enables us to compete in such a highly competitive, mature market, which is mobile in Spain, with more than 30 players, some of the biggest companies fighting for each customer. Okay, but we're different. And on top of that, we're a startup. We're a lean startup. So the market share that we need to compete and cover our costs in this huge market of more than 50 million subscribers is there. I made the calculation for you. That little grain of oregano in the pizza, that's the market share that will cover our fixed costs. Isn't it great? Last week, we celebrated our first-year birthday party. More than 5,000 community members in the community, growing on a monthly basis at double-digit in terms of members, subscribers, and revenues. The marketing budget we have, I will not disclose, because it's so neglectable, it would turn my competitors' marketing managers' faces red. But you get the message. Let me show you the team, my team of superheroes. Here you probably expect nice picture of faces. Okay, I will show you avatars. We have Simataduras. He's an 18-year-old guy who lives in Logroño. He's a techie. He developed our mobile app and the price plan widget that we use on our Facebook page. Or we have Nimbar. He's truly supportive. He will respond in less than 10 minutes every technical question that's raised in the community. Or we have Tito Kiko. Tito Kiko, he's a fan. He loves us and we love him. Every new community member will receive a warm welcome from him. I could be talking for an hour about them. Do you understand now what I'm talking about?
We are out of time.
Okay, so let me finish.
Nope. Big round of applause, please.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
And next on stage, with something quite unique, I would say something that impacts everyone and everything here, which is energy and natural resources. Let's welcome Vortex on stage, please. Yeah, I think they deserve more. They're bringing shit on stage. Come on. There we go. The only ones bringing stuff on stage.
Resulta que yo mandé una presentación hace 2 semanas, pero había actualizaciones.
I have this one.
Okay.
Thank you.
La traigo ahora y no me la puedo escuchar. A los nervios normales he tenido que improvisar totalmente porque la presentación aún se parecía a lo mejor un 50%.
Dear all, my name is David Trill, and I'm a partner of Vortex Bladeless. I'm here to talk about wind turbines, wind energy. Everybody has seen that kind of wind turbines, very big, and they produce energy moving these kind of blades. But let me introduce you a new kind of wind turbine today. Sorry. Okay. This kind of new turbine doesn't have blades. It's cheaper. It's more respectful with the environment, and it's more efficient. This is a very well-known technology. It's very efficient, but it's reaching its limit of operations. Imagine that we remove these blades. What will happen? It won't kill birds. It won't make noise. It will use less material. Imagine that you remove all gears, mobile parts, and the 300 liters it uses every year. We won't have anything to maintain. Imagine that we change the generation that now is at the top of the column, and we put it here at the bottom of the column. We will reduce the foundation over 50%. And imagine that we change the materials of this pool, now is made by concrete and metal, and we use fiberglass. It will be lighter and will be more respectful with the environment because we will reduce the 40% of the carbon footprint. But please, stop imagining, and I introduce you Vortex. Vortex is the technology that we have been developing since the last 3 years, 2 of them incubated by Repsol Foundation. Vortex will provide us a reduction of cost of energy over 40% and reduction of cost of manufacturing, maintenance, and operations over 50%. Vortex looks very simple if you compare, but you know that simple things are not the easiest to develop. With Vortex, we have 3 patents, and we are working on more. We already tested in the wind tunnel, and we already tested in the field test. And I can tell you one thing. We did it in summer. This is working very, very, very well. The market is huge. The market is growing 10% a year. Also, this technology is only the 3% of all the energy produced all over the world. But it's increasing 10% a year, and it moves around 70,000 millions a year. I think it's a good opportunity for us. But the cost of energy is the most important thing. The cost of energy is how much to produce energy, including the rate discount, and all costs from day 1 to the last day. And you see from different sources, different prices: solar, wind, wind, small wind. I don't know where I have to, okay. Offshore, and the mixed energy. And our proposal, we know, is a revolution because we want to reduce this price to 35 euros. It's a revolution because we know that we are going to change this world. And we know that we can do it. And we know that we will do it. This year, we raised 1 million from public and private funds to demonstrate what we already did. And we are looking for 15 millions to develop, scale, and start selling of 4 kilowatts in 2 years and 1 megawatt in 3 years. The team is the most important thing in this company. We met 10 years ago. We developed few technology, and our backpack, it's plenty of success and failures. And now we are 7 people working on it. The advisory board will stay with us from the first day. And what we are proposing is a disruptive technology because we think this has more than 30 years, and it's time to change it because we are reinventing the wind turbine model. Thank you very much. Yeah, no.
Enviar el mando. Déjanos el mando. Muy bien. Okay. So we have now the last one of the round, coming all the way from a remote area of Spain called Aragon, and also talking about energy and really interesting and innovative stuff. Ecomesh, please welcome them on stage.
Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are Isabel Guedea and Alejandro Lamon, and it's a pleasure for us to present you here today our project Ecomesh. If we analyze the energy market, we will see the energy prices are increasing day by day. Our buildings are responsible of the 40% of the total energy consumption of our countries. Consequently, a lot of people find hard to pay their energy bills. The solution to this scenario requires new ideas, cheap energy, more installation with more efficiency and lower payback periods. Okay, probably most of you know the photovoltaic technology which generates electricity or solar thermal collector which generates warm water. But if we combine both technologies, we obtain solar hybrid collectors. Solar hybrid collector has been developed already in the 70s, but their efficiency were really, really low. Our product, our patent product, are a solar hybrid collector with a transparent insulated cover inside with an inert gas inside. This cover makes the difference between the other technologies. This cover, overlaying this technology in the solar panel, we obtain 3 competitive advantages. The catchment area is a 40% lower. The electrical generation is a 15% higher due to the cooling effect inside, and a 3-fold increase in the thermal efficiency. But all these advantages lead us to a conclusion. To generate electricity and heat in a single panel, reduce the payback periods.
If we take a look to the solar panels market in Europe, we can see that it is still increasing. But if we look to Asia or South America, the potential is very high. These markets are very huge. Regarding the business model, it is divided in 3 different areas: engineering, manufacturing, and installation. This way we control the whole process related to the Ecomesh panels, and we offer a very high quality. The final users of Ecomesh panels are located in the residential sector, such as swimming pools, buildings, hotels, but we sell our panels to installations and distributors companies. As you can see, since ENDEF was founded 2 years ago, it has been awarded 7 international and national prizes. The most important one, the one of Repsol Foundation, that helped us to develop our product. We have different projects ongoing now in Spain, in buildings and single houses that prove that our technology is great. The team that manages NDEF company is formed by the co-founders, but we have also 9 people that work very hard in our company, and also different external advisors that guide in our way. As you can see in our facilities, we can right now produce 1,000 panels yearly. But we are expecting to increase this capacity soon to respond to the international demand. So as you can see, NDEF is a place where the ideas come true. And if you want to know more about e-commerce panels, the panels of the future, please contact us.